Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows 10 or 11 not waking up from sleep mode. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are Windows 10 or Windows 11 not waking up from sleep mode, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the command prompt. Just click on the start menu, then type here cmd. Just right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Here you need to type power cfg space -h space off. Hit enter. After that, just close this window by typing exit command. Come to the second method. Click on search bar. Here you have to type edit power plan. You can see here edit power plan. Just click on that. In this you can see change advanced power setting. Click on that. You need to scroll down a little bit. In this you can see PCI Express. Just expand this one. Double click on link state power management and select the maximum power saving to off. You can say plugged in maximum power saving, select as off. Click on apply and click OK and close this window. Guys, try the third method. Click on start menu, then type here edit. Just right click on register editor and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Guys, in this you can see H key local machine. Double click and expand that one. After that, just expand the system. After that, you have to expand current control set. Under current control set you will find control. Just expand this one. Under control you will find power. Just scroll down a little bit. You can see power. Just click on power. Guys, in this you can see CS enabled. Just open this one, double click on that and set value data to 0. Click OK and close this window. After doing these settings, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows 10 or 11 not waking up from sleep mode. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.